Guys, welcome back to the AM Club. We are live on MX24. Time now to plug you onto another fun one here on the AM Club. See, one person that we all love to run to. Even Gordon Number here would love to run into him.
No, please, I beg
you. Don't want to. Guys, we're going all the way to Nigeria to plug you onto this man who's got the soothing voice, songwriter, actor. I mean, like, he sings, and if you're not holding your girl well, your girl will leave you.
Sister.
Chike.
We're talking about Chike right now. I'm not comfortable, but hey, Chike.
Oh my, look at that.
Let me try to get your name. Ezekpeasu Osebuka. Is that a name?
You try. I'll score you 65.
Oh, that's good.
Wow.
For a Nigerian name, that's good. Hey, man, welcome to the show.
And if you wanted to score 80, what would that be? How can I say it?
Ezekpeazu
Hey.
Osebuka.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
That's tough. Chike is simple. It's just 2 syllables.
Trust me, we want to stick to Chike, really.
Chike, now, it's a bit scary. I mean, all the girls want to run to you. Even
Yeah?
my co-host is saying,
Yeah?
I need to run to him.
Gladly, I'll be running to you. Gladly.
Anyway.
But I can see you sitting down.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going fine. It's a cool day here in Lagos.
Las Giddy. We'll talk about
Yes.
your album. Is it album?
Yeah.
Your
Got an album coming
Yeah.
up.
pretty shortly. But we're just discussing you, and I was telling him that I remember you first on Project Fame West Africa before The Voice Nigeria, where you came second. It was in season 1?
Yeah. Yes, it was.
Wow, I see you trying to remember it. Wow, how long has it been?
Yeah, it's been forever. I almost forget most times.
How's it been for you before you got into mainstream? What was it like for you before entering mainstream?
To be honest, it's just a lot of, just casting my net and, into the waters and, working hard and hoping to catch fish. I just put in the work. And I had people who cheered me on and always, believed in me and just said, keep going, keep trying. And so now I still have those people around me, and they're very vital, to be able to sustain yourself, right now in the entertainment space.
Okay, I've got a question. So you said that you just cast your net into the waters, and then whatever you find is what you find. Did you picture where you are today? I know that you've been through some, projects and all of that, but did you picture where you are today? Is this how you envisaged it?
Man, I could tell you that this is definitely how I planned it, and I could tell you that I planned it to be better. And, I'm working on it being better. I'm happy, to be honest, that, everything put in, it's gradually coming to life, it's paying off. But, most times nobody knows the future. You can just do your part and, hope that everything aligns.
Yeah, yeah. All of your songs that you have done, before we talk about the album, all of your songs, which one of them is the most outstanding one for you?
None is most outstanding for me, I need to be very honest.
I love Soldier, by the way.
They're all my babies. I made them in different mind frames. I told different stories that I could connect to. So to be honest, none. I just put it out there and hope that you find the best. Just like now, Soldier is your best. Is your dad a soldier or your uncle?
None. It hits differently. The fact that you're not a soldier to all you have a soldier. Are you a soldier? Have you nursed being a soldier?
I'm not. Funny thing is, I wanted to be a soldier.
Oh, look, I have a
wanted
brother.
to be a soldier.
Oh, right.
But my mom fought against it completely, like 100%. She just fought against it. So we let that go.
Okay.
Chike, you're not alone. Nobody fought against this. I just couldn't enter the army. They just wouldn't take me. So it's okay.
Why?
I have no idea. I just get disqualified every time. But Chike, the African music on the global scale has opened widely. African music has gone everywhere. It's amazing. I wonder what artists go through. You're doing amazingly well. Do you, at any point in time, feel pressured to even do more?
And I always want to do more, at every point in time. Today I drove around the city where I stayed, the estate. It's called Lekki, Phase 1. And, we had done some negotiations to have some adverts put on because I needed to create more awareness, more than I did when I had my first album. And I've been driving around to make sure that all the billboards are up, So I always want to do more because music not heard is, it just defeats the purpose. But I'm a true believer, and, my team also believes that you just got to keep going. As far as you're putting in the work, as far as you are putting in the work, then let things just unfold.
Lekki Phase 1, Ajabota to the core, isn't it? Now you be Ajabota.
Well, I know the street last. I make I know from there the street.
That's good.
The album, your new album, what did you title the album?
The name of my new album is called The Brother's Keeper. That's what it is.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Tell us about it.
The Brother's Keeper is my life now. I'm having to be my brother's keeper. Whether it's my sister or my brother, you know what I mean. My brother's keeper. I'm having to consider or take into consideration a lot more things that I normally wouldn't, or I normally wouldn't want to take into consideration. I have to do that right now, and I'm almost like some kind of beacon of expectation and of hope, to a lot of people around me. And the Brother's Keeper, I'm saying that this is who I am, while I make this album.
Okay. How many songs do you have on it? It's out already. So I see On the Moon, Tell Spell, My Africa, featuring who's that?
Azana. She's an amazing artist from South Africa. Azana. That's how she taught me how to pronounce it. Azana. Yes, Azana.
Okay. Hard to Find. That's what we're about to play. Yeah. Hard to Find, featuring Flavor, Winner, Bad, and
you can't pronounce it. It's okay.
Is it Nigeria?
No triumph. Is it Bamo? Eamo?
Zamo.
That's a Z.
Okay.
Oh, that's a Z. Oh man, this font sometimes.
I know, right?
Okay.
Pour me a drink. You deserve featuring YC. Enough. Moving on. Good things. God only knows. Nothing less. Nothing more. And please, is this album out yet?
Yeah, I heard.
It's out. It's out right now. It's been out for a week now.
Ooh.
About 10 days. Yes, about maybe 10 days, but a week, working days.
Okay. Well, how long did you take to put all of this together, and which one of them is the most difficult one, you'd say?
The answer for me for how long it took is always two answers. One is I answer by what's the oldest song on the album. So if we go by the oldest song on the album, I would say it's taking longer than even my first album because there's some songs that were there before my first album. So I'll say maybe 4 or 5 years.
Wow.
Going by the old. But I could tell you that when I shut down, to make sure I crossed my T's and dotted my I's and worked on the album to put it out, it took me about 8 months to a year.
Sweet.
Prior to release.
Wow.
Yeah. So it happened in phases, right?
Okay. And so then, which one is the oldest song on the album?
Zamo.
What does it mean?
Answer me. It's my dialect. It's answer me now.
Okay.
Answer me.
Okay. What dialect is that? Is that Yoruba?
That's Igbo.
Igbo rather.
Okay.
Guys,
let's check out Hard to Find. What are we finding, and why is it hard though? You've been running into us, and now you want us to try Hard to Find you.
Hard to Find is, it's just when I made that song, what I was trying to say, or what I'm still trying to say is, to find a good woman, a good woman who's beautiful and sexy and smart is hard. Whatever is what you're looking for, that's hard to find. But I can tell you one thing I said there too, is to get a man who looks good, a good-looking man who still agrees to spend money. That's hard to find.
Wow.
Fine boy, no they pay. So,
wow, a good-looking man who still agrees to want to spend. How many times?
A good-looking man who still agrees to spend on you.
That's a good one. It's hard to find. Abby?
How many times have you seen this particular video?
Me?
Yeah. How many times have you watched it yourself?
My videos. I really try not to watch my stuff because every time I watch it, I want to change something.
Yeah.
So I realized that, yeah, even with my album, what took so long is that anytime I hear it, there's something new I want to put in it. So at some point, anytime we finish recording, my manager used to tell my producer not to give me the sound. She just hold it and send it straight to him, so just so I don't tweak it. Because each time I wake up, I hear something different. So yeah.
All right, Chike, we want to check out Hard to Find featuring Flavor. When we come back, you tell us which Ghanaian artist you're looking forward to working with, if you know any at all, and which one you're looking forward to
I
working
worked with
with.
Jackie.
Oh.
I can answer that right away.
Jackie,
I worked with Jackie
for
for somebody's song, for a guitarist song here. His name is Fioki.
Yeah.
But I know I want to work with Jackie again for sure.
Okay.
I really love Kitty and Kwame.
Kwame Eugene.
Yes,
Okay.
I met their people in London. Yes, I'm sure I'm going to come to Ghana soon. And I'm not staying in a hotel. I'm probably going to hit up Kitty and be like, dude, I'm staying in your house.
That's all.
Whether you like it or not.
That's all. This your Ajabota level is another this thing.
I like to see Hard to Find, but please hang in there for a minute for us. We want to go watch the video. We're back shortly. Very colorful video.
Rich Kente, close over there.
Yes, I hope we were able to at least not miss too much.
At all.
Not get all the facts too wrong.
At all. At all. It looked really good. Really
Listen, this is true life story in that video. The fine boys barely show up at your house with brass band and flowers jumping up like that. Yeah. It is always the ones you want to hide. Thank you for this video. It's a strong message to people.
And on top of the fine boys, Chike, I know you're an addict when it comes to working out, right?
Yeah, I'm at the gym right now.
Wow.
Chike, so not only are you, I hate to say this, but as a man, not only are you fine, you also work, you're adding gym to
the
it.
The guy is fine. Why do you hate to say it?
What is it again, bro? What are you looking for? You're acting, you are singing. What again are you not doing?
We're just in the pursuit of happiness, I guess.
That's
we just
right.
want to stay happy.
That's right.
Remain happy, pretty much. That's it.
I'm quick to know that, brother to brother, in the gym when you're tired, what one song would you say kicks you up and you're like, damn, I need to go again?
Love Yours by J. Cole.
That's a good one.
I think it will be a song from
that's
him.
No, it doesn't have to play.
There's a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
You know this one?
That's the song.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. That's a good one.
Which other video is ready, or which other video are you going to? In order of, priority?
Besides, the next video is gonna be On the Moon. I feel like on the moon. First song on the album.
Okay.
I feel like touching the sky, yeah. Alangeo, Olisa, Alangeo, Olisa. It's doing so well right now, so that's the next video that's gonna be out within a month, I believe.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Did you design did you decide how you look on the cover?
The funny thing is, we had another art, and that was me and my brothers.
Okay.
It was me and all my brothers. I've got 3 brothers. Okay. But we were doing this photo shoot just for new, press, photos. And, when I sat down and took the picture, when we were driving out of the studio, my manager was like, do you know what's going on? I'm like, what? He was like, that's the cover. And I'm like, huh? So I fought because the first album cost a lot of money, flying down my brothers, down to Lagos, everything. But I guess, see what I said about the future, unpredictable.
Yeah. This is nice. It has all of our attention.
My last question, Chike, answer carefully. Please answer carefully. What team in Europe do you support?
Arsenal, Gunners for life, carry on all Gunners. Man U, we're going to play the third half by next week. That was just the second half. So by the third half, we'll make up for the 3-1. I'm not worried. We're still top in the table, so I don't care, man. We're going for the league this time. I know you guys don't believe what I believe.
Are you seriously saying this with your chest?
Arsenal going for the league. Ben, I like you. Please, let me stay liking you.
Nice one, Chike.
How do you feel about this album? And I know you said you put in a lot of work, but how do you feel about this album, and how different is this one from the others?
Very different, because each time, I genuinely believe that anytime as an artist, I sing from my heart. I sing what I experience, or I sing from the stories I've heard, from what people experience. I always believe I'm casting something new into the world. There's a saying that there's nothing that hasn't been done before. but this time I'm telling you how I feel about it. So that's pretty much it. I feel great. It's a lot more work. I wouldn't even lie to you. You sometimes you think that the higher you climb, the easier it gets, but it actually doesn't. It's a lot more work, and I feel excited. I'm super excited that I have my second album out now, and I wouldn't have wanted to have a different career. It's such an achievement for me. When I sit down in my house and I look at myself, I'm grateful, and I just keep working.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good
It's
talking to
clearly
you.
available on all of the
Thank you
streaming
so much.
platforms. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, it's available on all streaming platforms. And yes, Arsenal for the win for the premiership.
Nice one. Take care.
Have a good one.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.